In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. By the end, you'll have PayPal connected to your Sellfy store so customers can check out quickly and securely. First, open your Sellfy dashboard and head to Store Settings, then Payment Settings. This is where all your payment options live, and it's the place to enable PayPal. Make sure you're logged into the correct Sellfy account with the permissions to change payment settings. On the Payment Settings page, find the PayPal option and click Connect with PayPal. This begins the secure connection process between Sellfy and your PayPal account. You'll be asked to enter your PayPal email address. Type in the email associated with the PayPal account where you want to receive payments, then click Next. Double-check for typos here. Entering the wrong email can cause connection issues or send funds to the wrong place. A PayPal login window will appear. Log into your PayPal account when prompted. This window is hosted by PayPal, so the credentials you enter are handled directly by them. You may be asked to confirm your identity or complete a verification step, depending on your security settings. If the window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow PayPal to open. Next, choose whether you're using PayPal as a business or organization account or as a personal account. If you're selling products or services, the business or organization option is typically the most appropriate, as it's designed for commercial use and may offer additional tools for sellers. If you're an individual selling casually, personal can work, but be mindful of PayPal's policies and any limitations that might apply. Click Next or Confirm to finalize the connection. PayPal will complete the handshake with Sellfy and you'll be redirected back to your payment settings. Look for a confirmation or connected status to know everything went through. Once connected, the PayPal checkout option is enabled for your customers automatically. That means shoppers can pay using their PayPal balance, linked cards, or bank accounts through PayPal, and you'll receive payments directly into the PayPal account you just connected. If you ever need to switch accounts or update details later, you can return to this same payment settings area and repeat the process. That's it. Quick, secure, and ready for sales. If you run into any issues, recheck the email you entered, ensure you're logging into the correct PayPal account, and confirm that no pop-up blockers are interfering. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.